30, 60 times 5. Go on, Niall. I reckon I'd have definitely got them out the way all in one go. Smile.
Hello.
Oh, they've slowed down, Niall. What's happened?
Yeah, slowed down.
Like you took the hoodie off. Session 2. I'm working out. Good. Johnny the mathematician's worked it all out. You've been knackered, Andy? I'm knackered, I've done nothing.
Every pure intention ends when the good times.
Come downtown to watch the fireworks show, Cogma fireworks show. We're gonna go see fireworks in the sky. But we're gonna try and find some food first. Go down the brewery because we've not been there yet. Stop for lunch, Ray.
Tea.
Stop for your tea. Hey, Ray. We stop for your tea. Yeah. What is it? You mind some flashy lights? Oh yeah, look what you got.
I feel like that's the least. Want a blinder? It was the least offensive one. That is one of blinder.
Wow! Wow!
What's in the bottom of the sky? Fireworks. Sky.
Are you watching the fireworks? Are you watching yourself in the camera?
Ah. No, because you think they're going to land on us. Ah!
Did you get bored of that, Ray? Did you get bored? Watched about 6 minutes. She liked them and then she just got bored. So I wasn't bothered about them. So I'm gonna go and try and get some tea now instead. Come on! Come on! Quick! Go, come on. Go on, push, push, push.
Oh, that's it. Load slower.
Time, I was like, I think I need to be on 10. At 100% of it, that's right, just done that. Yes! Right, you go on this one.
Is that what he's here for?
You've really stuff from Rich Texas, how'd you get on? I was like, I've just had my fucking tea. Would you warm up or just go for it? Yeah.
Yeah, just do.
It's the kind of thing that would just...
Matty texted me before asking what the fastest time is. I don't know if he's debating doing it or not. See, Matty won't beat me on that. He's not big enough. Tell it. Round 6. Go! Go, 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 go! Let's get! Come on, come on, come on! Push, 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 push!
Come on, Smee.
Come on, let's go. Come on, what happened then? Come on! Push, push, push! Yes, let's go, come on! Yes, you've got it, come on, come on, come on!
Keep pushing. Nice, Smee.
Keep going, Smee, keep going, keep going!
Head down, head down! That's up.
Yay! Nice.
Good effort. Yeah. 16, 8. Come on, push! Yes, let's go!
Pick it up.
Weather's horrendous today. River's high, there's normally a beach there. You can actually walk on. A bit wet. Oh, she's gonna do it now. Are they hurting? Like that. May, that is freezing. That's 4 degrees. 4.2 it says now. 4.4.
Anyone know what paper you are? Okay, there you go. This is definitely the Mecca hybrid. Oh, sure. Hybrid Mecca.
just about to start training and we've got sidetracked. We're trying to work out how long it'll take to climb Everest on the stair climber. We're just avoiding training, to be honest, at this stage. Just press start and it will go, but then you'll have to turn the level.
You set yourself without me actually walking.
It's not far off 15 seconds of floor,
So what's
at
it?
8. But yeah, like you said, if we're doing that would take us 26 hours. No, it wouldn't. I halved it.
Well, I won't be out there from time already.
We're trying to figure out how long it's going to take us to climb Everest on the stair climber. Not right now, no, because we need to free up about 24 hours, I think. I can't figure out how to.
That's 6.4 a minute.
6 a minute.
Yeah, so you divide.
But Everest takes so long because they go up, down, up, down, up. That's one round done. Are you alright? So we're doing that. We're racing Rich's times from yesterday. So I've had a good start. See if I go downhill or not. Hi.
I'm gonna go practice this. Yeah,
Go on, big ass.
Won't that be easy staying standing for her? And it made it so much worse for me.